Fix It in 15 Minutes is brought to you by Marvin Windows and Doors. With over 11,000 standard shapes and sizes and virtually limitless custom capabilities, Marvin is built around you.
So if you have a cracked ceramic tile in the kitchen or the bathroom, whether it's on the floor or in the wall, I have a way for you to fix it in 15 minutes. Now come take a look. This is what you need. One of these multi-tools that you can pick up at the hardware store, they cost about $99 with a special grout removal bit placed on the tool. You're going to need some mortar or glue to set the tile, some grout to grout the tile once you repair it, and hopefully you have some spare tile as well. So you locate your broken tile, and with the multi-tool and the bit, what you're going to do is grind out this grout around the perimeter of the broken tile like this. Once you've removed all the grout from around the broken tile, it's time to start chiseling the tile out. But keep in mind, you need to be careful that you don't damage any of the surrounding tiles. Give the tile a couple of smacks with the hammer first to loosen it up, and then use that chisel in the center to start breaking up the tile. Once you remove that last bit of tile, you want to take that chisel and scrape away as much of the old glue as you can. Now remember, the ceramic is sharp, so you want to be careful with your hands so you don't get cut. And you want to clean this up as well as possible so that you're ready to place the new tile in with the new glue. Now that it's all cleaned out, find your replacement piece of tile. I've got some thin set mortar here and a notch trowel. Take a little bit of that mortar and you butter the back of the tile with the mortar. Now you want to see those grooves and you want to get it on the entire back of the tile. Those grooves are what helps hold the tile in place. Then flip it over, carefully place it, line up the joints, press in place, let that dry overnight. Then all you have to do is re-grout the tile, and the only person that knows it's a new tile is you. You fix it in 15 minutes.